Now let's talk about the actual buying process. If planning is the what and when, procurement is the how. And like most things in IT, a little structure goes a long way. Procurement isn't just clicking add to cart. It's about choosing the right assets at the right time for the right price from the right vendor with the right terms. Let's break it down. Number 1, define standards. You don't need 14 different models of laptops across the company. That just complicates support, maintenance, and inventory. Create a list of approved models, or golden hardware, for each use case. Standard laptop for most users, high-performance machines for designers and developers, and lightweight options for executives or field workers. Same goes for monitors, mobile devices, and accessories. Standardizing means savings. Try this. List your top 3 laptop models in use. Now answer, can these cover 90% of your employee needs? If yes, create a standard hardware catalog with just those. Having pre-approved models means faster requests, clearer budgeting, and less vendor back and forth. Number 2, evaluate total cost, not just sticker price. A $300 laptop that dies after 2 years is more expensive than a $900 one that lasts 5. Think in terms of total cost of ownership, purchase price, support and warranty, expected lifespan, downtime risks, and licensing or accessory needs. In short, think ahead. Here's a useful exercise. Grab 2 recent asset purchases, and for each, estimate their purchase cost, any repair or replacement costs since, warranty coverage, if it's still active, current performance, is it still good or showing its age, and decide which one actually performed better over time. That's the start of your TCO analysis. Nothing fancy, just real-world comparisons. Number 3, build procurement workflows. Map out how asset purchases are requested, approved, and fulfilled. Who can request an asset? What needs a manager or IT sign-off? Is there a standard PO or approval form? Is someone tracking vendor SLAs and delivery fees? The more repeatable the process, the faster and cleaner the experience. Number 4, automate where possible. Using ITAM or procurement tools can help to route approvals, track orders, trigger asset records upon delivery. If you're still doing this through back and forth emails or Slack messages, it's time for an upgrade. Some action steps for you. Review your current procurement workflow. Where does it break down? Identify the top 3 most commonly purchased hardware models. Are they standardized? Calculate estimated total cost of ownership for a recent purchase. And did it hold up?